Hello guys, how are you doing today? I am Constance and thank you for joining me in the next episode of my English classes. Sorry. Today we're going to be talking about grammatical rules. Grammatical rules. And what we're dealing with is the subject verb rules, okay? So this according to the subject verb rule, the subject verb agreement rule all applies to all personal pronouns except you and I. The subject verb agreement rule applies to all personal pronouns. Personal pronouns except you and I. All right? To all personal pronouns except you and I. So let's start with this class. So this is just a note that you can, make, you can write down. The words I and you are always used with the plural form of the verb. The words I and you are always used with the plural form of the verb. Okay? Which, although singular, require plural forms of verbs. Which, although singular, require plural forms of verbs. So here are some examples that I've written out for you. All right? I talked with the lady. I, singular, talk would be plural to the lady, because according to rule, it needs a plural form of the verb. According to the rule, it needs or it uses that plural form of the verb, which although singular require plural forms of the verb. Although it is singular, it's going to require a plural form of the verb. So look at these examples. I talked to the lady. So I, singular, plural, talk. Harry, you dance with the girl. Harry would be the subject. You, singular, dance with the girl. Okay, so dance, plural, because that is what it used. It used the plural form of the verb. Number 3, I play with the boy. I, singular, and play would be plural. Play would be plural. Play would be plural. If I should write a sentence that says, he talks to the girl. He talks to the girl. Can you recognize which word would be plural and which word would be singular? Which word would be plural and which word would be singular? In this case, he is singular. He is singular. Talks. What is talks? Talks would also be singular. talks would also be singular. So in these grammatical rules, you would switch the S, okay? You would switch the S. So where the S, it is singular. Where there's no S, it is plural. Where there the S is, it is singular. Where there's no S, it is plural. All right? If we change this sentence, and we had we, and we have we would be considered what? Can you make a guess? Can you figure this one out? We would be plural. And talk would also be plural. So remember, talk, we would be plural, and talk also would be plural. Alright? Because where there is no S, the verb is plural. Where there's a S, the verb is singular. Alright? So I hope you have liked this class. Thank you for joining me. I hope to see you in my next class, where we'll be learning something new, something exciting and new. So until then, I will see you again. Okay, bye.